heard that you're the rapper who represents the NE, who's claiming to be the KONE. Yeah, it's kinda funny, man. You need to know that you will never ever become the KONE. Yeah, presentation, listen carefully my information. Find and start doing my job procrastination in your location. Yeah. Your observation goes through isolation, so look at me, I'm your inspiration and start giving you demonstration. Your opposition is just an expectation. Stop giving yourself estimation, it will never become, it's just an expectation, imagination. Yeah. Hope you get notification by my proclamation and information, that will be a domination. Say that you're just sparrow, no you're not, you're just not sparrow. It's broken wing cause I'm an archer, you hit by my arrow. Stop challenging the other and get mad off, man. Headhunter, yeah, I'm a hunter. I'm gonna take off your head and break off your bone and scrap all your body. Or gonna pay all your mistakes and blaze off. Yeah, fuck it, warlord, I'm the father of warlord. Make it all gone, make it all gone. Fuck it, warlord, I'm the father of warlord. Make it all gone, make it all gone. G-O-N-E, God I'm not it, yeah, I'm the God I'm not it. Participating in my warfield, can't believe this man is killing this shit. Fucking shit, need a shit, yeah. Searching for your grief, yeah. I'm not a K-O-N-E, my name's Andrew. I swear the real KONE, who's from Mizoram. It's enough for today, man. Shit, well, maybe 10 is